What is the purpose of a lighthouse? To be a guide, a warning to travelers on the water, that they are approaching dangerous territory, that there are hazards, obstacles to be navigated in order to safely make their destination. At all times, there is a constant washing of the waves upon the foundation of the lighthouse, but in the storm it is the most severe. Waves crash upon the structure, testing the work of the engineers and builders, testing the integrity of the monument. All of these things were taken into account in the planning stage of the building. The test of time proves that they knew what they were doing and that they did the job right. There is something very similar to a lighthouse. It is the human character. It is something that we seem to have forgotten over the last 60 to 70 years. Before then, the mother stayed at home raising the children, teaching them, engineering and building their character. The test of time proved that they had done the job right. As an adult, the children could weather the storm. There is a major difference, however. In building a lighthouse, it is difficult to make mistakes or minor errors in the planning process or in the construction. If you do, your project will crumble at a critical point in time. While the character is much the same, we have to take into account the will. A person has the power of choice, and at any time they are able to change the course of their life. They are actually able to choose to change their character. They can look at someone else and say, "That's what I want my life to look like," and work to change the structure of their character. In the process, they become a lighthouse for others, a warning to fellow travelers that there are hazards, obstacles to be navigated in order to safely make their destination. They can do this because of the original Lighthouse of Character, Jesus Christ. He made it possible to choose to change instead of being kept in chains. He not only gave forgiveness, but the freedom to choose to be a person of a different character. With the choice, you get to start on the foundation of solid rock and restructure the lighthouse of your character. Ask, and you will receive. Seek, and you will find. Knock, and the door will be opened unto you.